It is hot out here. Whew. It's about 7:30. I haven't seen Peeps since, well, I'm seeing him about once a day. So, yesterday about 7:30. Peeps! I think he's enjoying his life as a real flycatcher. Peeps! Peeps! Is that him? Peeps! Is that you down there on the fence? Well, if it is, you got a friend, I hope. Peeps! It is Peeps. Hi, Peeps. Hi. Come on. Do you have a friend? I saw your friend. I am so glad. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's okay. It's just a camera. Hi. Come back. Come back. Oh, Peeps. Come on. Don't get on the ground. He does that sometimes when I'm around. Come on. Come back. I am so proud of you. Yeah, you've got friends. Come on. Come on, Peeps. Here we go. Come on, Peeps. Stop that. Oh, he is really becoming a flycatcher, not a mama's boy. Where are you? Peeps. Boy, he used to just come right to my fingers, and there he is. There you is. There you are. Come on, buddy. Hi. Oh, I'm just so proud of you. Who is your friend? I'm so glad. I'm glad you have a friend. Toodles. Come here. Come here. Talk to me. Come on. I know you don't like the camera. Come on. Peeps. Peeps. Where are you? How come I can't see you? There you are. Peeps, come here. Come on. You're very handsome tonight. Come on. Do I need to shut the camera off? Come on. You talking to me? Come on. Come on, don't fly off. Come on.